We got Duvy birds. But first, can we look up Jane and Finch, aka Eric Comby and Fitch? Jane and y'all about to kill me. They about to kill you for dissing they hood like that. Soon I put Jane and Fitch. Like no. Is Jane and Finch really bad? Jane and Finch is particularly utopia. Crime here is gang related and innocent civilians are probably in the middle of it. I real life want to watch one of these videos. Is Jane and Finch gentrified? Not yet. News. Jane and Finch obituaries. Jane and Finch. Jane and Finch map. All right, give me a... Y'all BSing right now. Y'all got a Walmart? I'm trolling y'all. Y'all got a Walmart. Freshco, Jane and Finch. We price match. I might want to move to Toronto. I'm not gonna cap. But y'all money is what I gotta get used to. Mandarin. I just seen a video where they said half the world speaks Mandarin. It look nice over here. Walmart. Y'all got a Walmart. Y'all got a Home Depot. I work at Home Depot. That's the crazy part. Y'all got a Home Depot. Whoa. What's y'all Walmart looking like? Y'all got Walmart and then y'all got a Walmart Super Center. Jane and Finch. Jane and Finch projects. Mall. No. Whatever. Jane and Finch Community Family Center right here. Here we go. Yeah, we got it. This place is very unprofessional. We got it. Street view. Ooh, y'all recognize this? This y'all home, right? Jesus Christ. Let's go down the block. Look, that's the new ones. These old ones. Jesus Christ. Y'all gotta give me a project in Jane and Finch. I want to see it, bro. Come on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got Duvy birds. Was I just right there?
I wanted her back, she wanted her love. Fuck it, I'm going in for a smile. Under the belt, big G like blast. I hit her for real, left her in the past. The feeling is real. Put you on
the hiding LeBron so bad. Glazing LeBron. Glazing. For what? Go wear Fred VanVleet's jersey.
Tallied up, got broken line. Shooting TikTok, don't shoot like it's practice. Down on my ass, flipped it like gymnastics. I wanted her back, she wanted her love. Fuck it, I'm going in for a smile. Under the belt, big D like blast. I hit her for real, left her in the past.
Y'all don't hear this beat? Do y'all not hear this beat?
Tallied up, got broken line. And shooting TikTok, don't shoot like it's practice. Down on my life, flipped it like gymnastics. Pass it, dash it. I do me with confidence. 17 bandits. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothesline, Cena. 17 bandits. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothesline, confidence. 17 bandits. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothesline,
that's
Cena.
The hardest part of the song.
Gymnastics, pass it, dash it. I do me with confidence. 17 bandits. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothesline, Cena. You can't see the heater. Scared of fast beamer. Hoes say they wife beater. Yeah, stop trying to kill my heart. Lil' Duvy a high roller. I can see the fake inside your mind even if I'm blind. And you know the police right behind us scream F9. And Shotty with me hella thick, she. And you know the police right behind us scream
That was a
F9.
gang song.
And Shotty with me hella.
Look.
And you know the police right behind us scream F9. And Shotty with me hella thick, she fine, she by my side. Bro, I had to trench shit. She know I really guess, but I can't trip, I got it by my side. That I love or hate, boys get down. All alone, boy, free 2 times. I wanted her back, she wanted the love. Fuck it, I'm going in for a smile. Under the belt, big G like blast. I hit it for real. Left her in the past, feeling this real. Put you in the past, tallied up, that broke bin Laden. Shoot it to kill, don't shoot like it's practice. Down on my life, flip it like gymnastics. Bin Laden, shoot it to kill, don't shoot like
Scott. Why you look like Travis Scott?
On my life, flip it like gymnastics. I say, dash it. I do me with confidence. 17 balance. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothes on Cena. You can't see the heater. Scared of fast beamer. Hoes say they white beater. See, I done seen too much. Niggas change. So what youngins on the miss. Sliding fashion. They just want more guns. Stack funds. Add up. Rack up. Pack. Can't have my trust behind my back. Cause too much niggas are slimy. I'm so glad, huh? Yeah, 14 car, real one. From then on, it's real fun. I wanted her back, she wanted the love. Fuck it, I'm going in for a smile. Under the belt, big deal, I blind.
This song is hard. This song is hard, but no matter how hard it is, y'all not getting me to download it. Y'all not. Free Melly and this song's hard. I might listen to this song later today, but y'all not gonna get me to download it. Bro, I don't know. This song is hard.
Put you in the past, tallied up, that broke bin Laden. Shoot it to kill, don't shoot like it's practice. Down on my life, flip it like gymnastics. I say, dash it. I do me with confidence. 17 balance. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothes on Cena. You can't see the heater. Scared of fast beamer. Hoes say they white beater.
That song is hard. That's a hard song.
Love, fuck it, I'm going in for a smile. Under the belt, bitch, down on my ass, flip it like gymnastics. I wanted her back, she wanted the love, fuck it, I'm going in for a smile. Under the belt, big deal, I blast, I hit it for real. Left her in the past, feeling this real. Put you in the past, tallied up, that broke bin Laden. Shoot it to kill, don't shoot like it's practice. Down on my life, flip it like gymnastics. I say, dash it. I do me with confidence. 17 bandits. She eat me up a hungry bitch. Clothes on Cena. You can't see the
That's so
heater.
hard. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. They said we play this heavy in Detroit. Yeah, this song hard.